Hello, my Heal Diviners. Welcome to my channel of I Heal Divine. So, today we will be seeing what major changes and blessings are coming your way. So, before I start, if you're new to my channel, please like, follow, subscribe to my channel I Heal Divine. I've already taken out the cards today. So, let's go ahead with the reading. Cleansing waters, traveling lightly, finding sanctuary, begin now. Put it like this. And stepping into the power. So these are the changes, and let's see what blessings are coming to. Aditi, which is the creation. Chachintur, Chachintuche, I hope I'm saying right, fresh start. Parvati Ma, which is spirit. And Nut, which is resurrection. So now what I can see that the major positive changes are starting for you right now. This isn't about small adjustment, but it's about a deep spiritual refresh that is washing away your old and making space for a powerful new beginning. And you're also being guided and protected by a powerful, creative, and nurturing energies every step of your way. So, with cleansing water, what I can say is now it's time to let go, which means releasing old grudges, past hurts, bad habits, and anything that is weighing you down emotionally. So imagine a gentle rain washing away your dust and leaving everything which is clean and new. And with traveling lightly, it says don't carry the baggage of the past into your new future. This seems simplifying your life, your thoughts, and your commitments. So only take what you truly what truly serves you. And with finding century, it says your peace is your priority right now. And you are being guided to create a safe space, both in physical environment like your home and inside your own mind, which is through your peace and calm. And then comes begin now. This says with begin nows, and it also says stepping into the power, also the card has come. So I would say this is urgent and exciting, means the time for waiting is over now, because you have been encouraged to trust yourself, own your strengths, and confidently claim your place in the world, because your true power comes from within. So start now. It's a time is now. And the blessings what I'm getting is Aditi, means the creator. Now she represents the infinite potential and new beginnings. Her energy means that you have the power to create a whole new reality for yourself from scratch, because she is bringing the blessing of opportunity for you. And then the fresh start. She says, after you start this, there is a fresh start coming to you. Chalchin Chuatiche means there's a fresh start. As I said, the time is now to begin. So there is a fresh start starting for you right now, because you have manifested that. Then is Parvati. Now, Goddess Parvati, she is the spirit. She is the loving devotee. I'm sorry. She is loving. She is devoted, and she is a very strong mother. And her energy will give you the perseverance and love to nurture this new life you are creating, because she is your inner strength and your determination. Then comes the Nut, the resurrector. She is the Egyptian sky goddess, sis, who rebirths the sun every day. And her energy is guaranteeing you that after this cleansing, you will experience a rebirth. Something new and beautiful will arise from what you will let go. So, overall, what I would say is that y- what you have manifested is a complete renewal of your spirit and life. So, welcome this change, I would say, because these blessings are the direct result of you doing the work of cleansing and stepping into your power. Because now you are brave enough to let go and start fresh. Because, see, as I said, your fresh start, the universe is supporting now you. She's, the universe is supporting you. Now he's supporting you with a fresh start, your inner strength and resilience, which will help you build your new life without getting discouraged. And that help you will get it from Goddess Parvati. Then you'll feel a true rebirth where you will feel like a newer, lighter, and more authentic version of yourself, which will come from Nat. So now what this might look like in real life, what you will see, like now what is it going to happen? So for some of you, I feel you will leave a draining job. Like you've been so fed up of that particular 9 to 5 job or the same job, whatever, or you're not happy with the boss or what anything it can be, or it can be in relationship. So you will be leaving them and then you will find one that will truly fulfill you. And finally, you will overcome a long held fear or insecurity and feel a sense of a new confidence in you. Some of you, also what I feel for some of you, you will be moving to a new place or creating a home environment that will make you a true century. Because here I can see, something far off, new, or maybe you'll move from one house to another house, or you will start a new project or chapter that is that will align perfectly with your soul's purpose. So welcome this change. Let go, make a list mentally or physically that what no longer is serving you. And then simplify. Look at your schedule, your belongings, your relationship, where you can create more ease and then less weight. Also create a very peaceful corner for yourself. Find one place in your home, I would say, where you can feel calm every day. So trust yourself. You know what to do. Your inner spirit, Goddess Parvati, is making you strong. Make a decision from your heart and then don't look back. Accept the blessings. Be open to receiving and good things. And say yes to the opportunities that will make you feel right, even if they are new or scary. So, in short, now what I would say is big positive changes here. But you have to let go of the old, travel light, and find your inner peace. Because by doing this, you will step into your true power, and the universe will support you completely, ensuring your fresh start is blessed with strength, creativity, and a total rebirth of your spirit. So, trust the process. So, if you want to claim this reading, please subscribe to my channel I Heal Divine, and don't forget to click on the icon subscribe, and so that you will get the new videos whatever I'll be posting every day. Thank you. Till then, I will see you in my next reading.